Has video recording? Okay, great. Here we go. N3. Two, the unthinkable happens today in Florida. A man accused of tossing his daughter over a bridge. We turn live to our reporter who has been there covering the story for us all day. What can you tell us?
Well, yes, very sad day here in St. Petersburg, as St. Petersburg police tell us that a man, John Chuck Jr., threw his 5-year-old daughter Phoebe over the bridge into freezing water. Police watched as Chuck grabbed his daughter from out of the car and placed her towards his chest and proceeded to throw her 60 feet deep into the water. Police on the scene went down the ladder, and then it took him and his team about an hour and a half until they found the child a mile away from the scene. Chuck drove off in a calm manner. When police turned on his vehicle lights, and John just turned around and made a U-turn and moved towards the officer. St. Petersburg police did report that there was a domestic violence charge in the case, but surprisingly, John Chuck Jr. was the one who filed the report against the child's mother. He will be arraigned later on today. He was interviewed, but he is lawyered up and is not talking much. So we're waiting on more information from St. Petersburg Police Department, and once we get it, so will you. Siobhan Gorey here, live on the scene from KMSU.